I'm going to teach you my choreography on cheap thrill. This is a very easy choreography for kids. So let's get started. So first is starting with the music. So I'm doing with this is my right leg, right hand. So I'm doing like this. I'm cutting something. So my right leg is crossing back, cross back side. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the 8 count I'm doing, and after the music I'm going backward. So I'm going backward. This is my right hand, and this is my right leg. I'm just going back like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is a 6 count I'm doing. So first I'm doing this one from the 8 count. So it's just like my leg is crossed backward, and I'm cutting the 1, and this is left, right, left. Okay, and the second one I'm doing like this. It's like I'm just hitting something on my side and just going back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is a 6 count I'm doing. After there's a wording. Come on, turn radio on. So I'm calling someone. So my hand is like this, and I'm calling someone. Come on. So this is a rolling. Come on, turn radio on. So this is my both hand is like this, and I'm just rolling. I'm a little bit bend like this, just rolling. So come on, turn radio on. This is a circle I'm doing. So come on, turn radio on. After that there is a Friday night. So I'm doing with my left hand, my both hand I'm making a fist, and I'm thinking there's some string, and I'm pulling down, and my leg is up. So 1 like this. Okay, so Friday night my leg is up, and 1, 2. So left and right. So I'm making a fist, and I'm just pulling down some string. So 1 and 2. This is for the Friday night. After that there is a do my hairs. So I'm just roll my hand over my head. So I'm showing do my hairs or makeup on. So I'm doing just my makeup on. Do my hairs, my makeup on. After that is Friday night again. So I'm doing this time I'm coming forward. 1, 2. So here also the same. I'm just pulling something. My hand is like this, and I'm coming forward with my right hand. 1 and 2. Okay. So Friday night and Friday night. After that I hit the dance floor. So my both leg is little bit I make some space between my both leg, and what I'm doing, my left leg, I'm just bending my left leg, and my both hand is on my thigh, and I'm just rotate my feet or 2 times like on my floor. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm doing with my both legs, starting with the left. So left leg, both the hand, 1, 2, right leg, both the hand, 3, 4. So this is doing 8 count. Okay. After this, hit the dance floor. So yeah, I don't need a. After this, hit the dance floor, and then the wording is I got all I need. So I'm doing just 1, 2. So my what I'm doing, my leg is up. With my left leg I'm starting. So I'm just cross my both hand. So 1 and up. 1, 2. So cross up. Okay. So up, cross up. Okay. So 1, 2, and the same with the right hand. 3 and 4. This is the 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So after this my hand is up. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I'm making the fist, and I'm just rolling the music. Just roll 1 turn. I'm making the 1 turn. Okay. So first 1, 2, 3, and 4, and roll. Okay. So after this we roll, and there is a wording. I don't need $1 to fun tonight. So this is we are doing 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm just making the fist, and I'm just waving like 2 times down and 2 times up. So what I'm doing, left, right, left, right. So 4 times I'm doing 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then love chip thrills. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4 and love chip thrill. This wording is repeating, so this is the 2 times. So first time I'm doing with, so I don't need a dollar to fun tonight. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first time I'm doing with left side, then 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then the right side. Okay, so this is the 2 times, so I'm repeating. So first, I love cheap thrills, we are doing this. I love cheap thrills, first time from left, and the second time I'm doing with the right side. Okay, then love cheap, and after that this I don't need money. So to fun tonight. So what we are doing? I hold my hand up, and one hand is on my thigh. I'm just shake, and I'm just turning around. So like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and from till here, this is a half circle I'm taking. After this, I'm coming back. 1, 2, 3 and 4, like this. So this is also the same wording, it's repeating. So I'm doing this also the same 2 times. So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a half circle, and after this I'm coming with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is the 2 times I'm doing. Okay, so after this is the same wording, come on, turn radio on. And after that there is a Saturday night. So first we did the Friday night like this, and this now the Saturday night. So what I'm doing with the Saturday night, I'm doing like this, 1, 2 and 3. I'm just, my both leg is like this, and it's little bit bent, and this is the first time this is go diagonally, 1, 2 and 3. So I'm doing 1, 2 and 3. This is also moving. So this is a Saturday night, and do my nails in high heels on. So nails, to paint my nails, so I'm just showing this, and do my nails like this. Okay, so my left leg is in front and my hand is like this, do my nails on high heels on. So I'm just lift up my leg and just coming back, high heels on and coming back. So do my nails and high heels on. Okay, so this is for the Saturday night, do my nails and high heels on. So again the same wording is repeating. So I'm doing the same step, because for kids it's good if I don't want to make so complicated, so it's very easy choreography, so they can be learned easily. So I'm just, after all the step, all these things will repeat, and this is my dance choreography. If you like this, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.